Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I'm Mbalenhle, co-founder of Lungilicious. Lungilicious was founded in 2020 due to the lockdown and the COVID-19 that we had experienced as a nation and as the world. My mother traveled because she was unemployed and she seeked employment in different countries. When she met the love of her life in Guinea-Bissau, that is when the product was birthed. She realized that in some other parts of the world, you don't need Western medicinal to actually heal yourself. So they came across hibiscus, baobab. It helps with giving you vitamin C without having to actually take a pill for vitamin C. It's kind of like an orange, but in a flower. So we have baobab, we have hibiscus, we have it in a syrup, and we have many more like tamarind. You can use them as spices, you can use them as anything you would like to do. You can marinate meat, you can have it as a drink, you can have it as maple syrup on your pancakes. So we are here to tell you that you don't need to drink pills to feel better. We're just a drink away. You can get a hold of us through our Instagram, Lungilicious _ Facebook, Lungilicious, and on Twitter as Lungilicious, and on TikTok as well, Lungilicious. Hi, my name is Mbali, and I am a Township Entrepreneur.